Why do millions of people swear by natural remedies? Let's uncover the magic behind everyday herbs and spices. For centuries, herbs and spices have been nature's medicine cabinet. Let's talk about some stars of the show. Lavender isn't just for relaxing baths. Its aromatic oil can help with sleeplessness, anxiety, stress, and migraines. Next, dandelion. This little gem is packed with vitamins and antioxidants, and the whole plant is edible. Peppermint. It's a digestive superhero, easing IBS, headaches, and even bad breath. Turmeric, with its powerful curcumin, may help prevent heart disease, cancer, and more. And don't forget aloe vera. It's not just for sunburns. It's hydrating and great for your skin and digestion. These are just a few examples, but the list goes on. Curious to learn more? Like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Check the link in the description for a full guide. See you next time.